Hello, my name's Larry Burkholder, Training Manager, Digger Specialties, manufacturer of the Westbury ScreenRail system. In this small opening, we're going to install a custom-sized mid-rail. These come in 4, 6, and 8 foot lengths, which we've cut down for this to a specific size for this opening. This is only for a ground floor deck installation when your deck is less than 30 inches off the ground. And we're going to install this at 36 inches. Each kit comes with 2 pieces of hardware, and I have this marked to be at 36 inches. And I'm lining up my lines. With my partner holding this into position, I'm now ready to install this mid-rail. Repeat on the other side. I'm now ready to install my cover to hide the screws. I have it in position on the back side. Thank you for taking time to watch this ScreenRail mid-rail installation. Have a great day.